Did you know that seafood is the primary source of omega-3 fats, which are absolutely essential for your brain and heart health? Indeed, these healthy fats found in the bounty of the sea do wonders for our bodies. In this video, we'll be journeying through the nutritious world of seafood, from fish to shellfish, crustaceans, and even seaweeds. So, hit the subscribe button, share with your friends, and drop a comment to join the conversation. Isn't that fascinating? Now let's dive deeper into the ocean of seafood nutrition. Fish, a favorite among seafood lovers, is not just delicious, but packed with nutritional benefits. Let's dive in and discover the nutritional value hidden in the depths of the ocean. Let's start with salmon, a popular choice in many cuisines worldwide. Salmon is an excellent source of high-quality protein, important for maintaining muscle mass and promoting growth. But that's not all. This pink-hued fish is rich in omega-3 fatty acids, essential for optimal brain function and heart health. It's also brimming with vitamins like B12, D, and selenium, all crucial for maintaining a healthy immune system and promoting bone health. Moving on, we have tuna, the star of sushi and salads alike. Tuna is another protein powerhouse and a treasured trove of vitamins like B3, B6, and B12. Additionally, it offers a generous dose of magnesium and potassium, essential minerals for nerve function and muscle health. And let's not forget the omega-3s, which are abundant in tuna, supporting heart health and brain function. Lastly, let's shine a spotlight on cod, a fish known for its mild flavor and flaky texture. Cod is low in fat but high in protein, making it a great choice for those watching their weight. It's also a fantastic source of vitamin B12 and iodine, a mineral that supports thyroid health. Furthermore, cod provides selenium, a powerful antioxidant that helps protect your body from damage by free radicals. To sum up, fish like salmon, tuna, and cod are not just palatable delights but nutritional powerhouses. They offer an abundance of high-quality protein, essential fatty acids, vitamins, and minerals. These nutrients play a crucial role in supporting various body functions, from brain health to muscle maintenance, from heart health to immune function. So the next time you enjoy your fish dish, remember it's not just tasty, but a powerhouse of nutrition. From clams to oysters, shellfish are not just a gourmet's delight, but a treasure trove of nutrients. Imagine a world beneath the waves teeming with a variety of shellfish, each one a nutritional powerhouse in its own right. From the humble mussel to the exquisite scallop, these marine creatures offer a bounty of vital nutrients that can enrich your diet. Take clams, for instance. These tiny mollusks are packed with vitamin B12, a crucial nutrient that supports nerve function and the production of DNA. A small serving of clams can provide more than 100% of the recommended daily intake of this essential vitamin. And then we have oysters, the pearls of the ocean. Not only are they renowned for their unique, briny flavor, but they are also a rich source of zinc. This mineral plays a key role in immune function and wound healing. Shrimp, although small in size, bring a hefty dose of protein to the table. They are low in fat and high in protein, making them a great choice for those looking to maintain a balanced diet. If you're after a good source of omega-3 fatty acids, look no further than mussels. These shellfish are not only delicious, but are also brimming with these heart-healthy fats. Omega-3 fatty acids are known to reduce inflammation and lower the risk of heart disease. And let's not forget about crabs. These crustaceans are a good source of phosphorus, a mineral that supports kidney function and helps to strengthen teeth and bones. Finally, scallops. These delicate shellfish are high in vitamin B6 and magnesium, both essential for maintaining heart health and boosting the immune system. As diverse as they are in terms of flavors and textures, shellfish share a common trait. They are all nutrient-dense. They offer a symphony of vitamins, minerals, and proteins, all while being low in fat. So next time you're indulging in your favorite shellfish dish, remember it's a feast, not just for your taste buds, but also for your health. Crustaceans like shrimp, lobsters, and crabs are not only a culinary delight, but also offer significant health benefits. As we delve deeper into the world of crustaceans, you'll find they're much more than just tasty treats. They're powerhouses of nutrition. Crustaceans are high in protein, making them an excellent source of this vital nutrient. They provide the building blocks for our muscles and tissues, and they're low in fat, which makes them a healthier choice than many other protein sources. But that's not all. Crustaceans are also rich in essential vitamins and minerals. They're loaded with vitamin B12, a nutrient that keeps our nerve and blood cells healthy. They also provide a good amount of zinc, an essential mineral that supports our immune system and helps with cell growth and division. And let's not forget about the omega-3 fatty acids. These beneficial fats, found in abundance in crustaceans, are known to support heart health, reduce inflammation, and even boost brain function. Crustaceans also contain a trace mineral called selenium. This powerful antioxidant helps protect our bodies from damage by free radicals, potentially reducing the risk of certain types of cancer and heart disease. The cherry on top, they're also a source of iodine, which is essential for a healthy thyroid and metabolism. So, when you're enjoying that shrimp cocktail or lobster bisque, know that you're also boosting your health. Seaweeds might not be everyone's cup of tea, but they are nutritional powerhouses. Let's dive into the world of seaweeds, a marine gift that's brimming with health benefits. One of these most compelling aspects of seaweeds is their high fiber content. This plant of the sea is packed with dietary fiber, a vital component for maintaining a healthy digestive system. It aids in promoting regular bowel movements and helps in preventing constipation, making it an excellent choice for gut health. But the wonders of seaweeds don't stop there. They are also a rich source of vitamins and minerals. Seaweeds are particularly high in iodine, a nutrient essential for the proper functioning of the thyroid gland. They also boast a high concentration of vitamin K, known for its role in blood clotting and bone health. Moreover, seaweeds contain a good amount of potassium, magnesium, and iron, all of which contribute to overall health. Potassium helps regulate blood pressure, magnesium plays a key role in nerve and muscle function, and iron is crucial for the production of red blood cells. Beyond these, seaweeds also have unique bioactive compounds not found in terrestrial plants, like fucoxanthin, which has antioxidant properties, and fucoidan, known for its immune-boosting effects. In essence, seaweeds are a treasure trove of nutrients. They might not make regular appearances on our plates, but incorporating them into our diet can offer a myriad of health benefits. Seaweeds indeed are the underrated heroes of the ocean when it comes to nutrition. Seafood, as we've seen, is a treasure trove of nutrition. Our journey through the world of seafood has revealed a wealth of nutritional benefits. Each category of seafood we've explored, fish, shellfish, crustaceans, and seaweeds, brings its own unique set of nutrients, offering a vast array of health benefits. Fish, for instance, is a fantastic source of lean protein and brings with it a plethora of vitamins and minerals. It's also one of the few food sources of vitamin D, a critical nutrient for bone health. But perhaps what sets fish apart is its rich supply of omega-3 fatty acids, essential fats that support heart health, brain function, and inflammation reduction. Moving on to shellfish, these include clams, oysters, and mussels, which are nutrient-dense and low in fat. They pack a punch with B vitamins, zinc, and iron, all crucial for energy production, immune function, and cognitive health. Not to mention, they are an excellent source of lean protein. Turning our attention to crustaceans such as shrimp, lobster, and crab, we see that they are not only delicious but also chock full of protein. They're low in fat and high in vitamins and minerals, particularly vitamin B12, crucial for nerve function and the production of DNA. Last, but certainly not least, is the nutritional powerhouse of seaweeds. These marine plants are bursting with essential nutrients like iodine, critical for thyroid function, and also contain a unique blend of antioxidants not found in terrestrial plants. Summing up, seafood offers a vast array of nutrients, each contributing to various aspects of our health. It's a dietary delicacy that combines pleasure with wellness, offering a diverse palette of flavors and textures. So, whether it's fish, shellfish, crustaceans, or seaweeds, adding seafood to your diet is a delicious way to boost your health. Stay tuned for more intriguing facts about food and nutrition. Remember to subscribe, share, and comment. Until next time, eat healthy, stay